Hey, this is René, and today I will show you a really simple Forex trading strategy which you can use right away to start trading with time breakouts. So what I have here right now is a plain chart of the Euro-US dollar, and please don't mind the trades down here, they are for testing purposes of another system. But what I want to show you today is a strategy which is really simple. It is a day trading strategy and it uses time breakouts to generate profits. So we have this chart and I currently use the 5-minute time frame, but it doesn't really matter what time frame you choose. And we always select a specific time range. For example, the range of 8 a.m. to 9:30. I can just use a shape like a rectangle to show the range. So 8 a.m. should be this candle right here to 9:30, which should be I don't really know which candle it is. This is 10 a.m. 9:30, so this one. So let me just modify this, 9, like this. So we have a time range from 8 a.m. This bar up here is the bar that opens at 8 a.m. and this one is the last bar of this rectangle I just marked with this yellow color, and is 9:30. So in this range we just choose the highest price, which comes with the very first candle in this case, and the high is at 1.1433, and I can mark it with a line like this. Let me just correct this, and we have a low price that is at the bar or the candle of 9:20 in the morning, and we have a low price of let me check it real quick, 1.1422, and the low price is also marked with this line. And from this time on, from 9:30 in the morning, we just start trading breakouts, like this breakout that happened at 9:40. So this was a short breakout. So whenever we leave the range to the south, pretty much, so we have a short breakout, we just trade into this direction. So at this time, we would place a short trade, or we can even place pending orders at 9:30 already for a short trade if we leave the range to we have a short breakout. And after that short breakout, we just keep this short trade open until either one of two things happen. So the first thing or action that could happen is we get stopped out at the upper corner or the upper bound of this range, which is marked by this line, and at the other upper corner of this rectangle or the upper border of this rectangle, we have another buy order. So if this sell order will become stopped out, we lose the short trade, but we immediately start another buy trade. So this was nearly triggered at this bar, but it was not. It didn't reach the second line here, so we still have our short trade open, and then we just hold it until 18:30 in the evening, and then we close this position. So at this point we would have closed the position and would have made this profit of 166 points or 16.7 pips, and that would be the profit for the day, and then the trading is over. So it's a simple plain day trading strategy. There could be several other scenarios, like what I just mentioned. We could have been stopped out here and enter another buy position with another stop at the lower bound of this rectangle, and then we would just close this buy position at 18:30. Even if it's in profit or if it makes a small loss, we always close the position in the evening, and we only do one buy trade and one sell trade at maximum, so we never do more than 2 trades. And it could also happen that this first short trade would not be executed and a buy trade would be executed instead. Then we do the same, but the other way around. And with this strategy, there's a big profit because, or a big benefit, because it is a strategy that follows strict rules. We have all the possibilities to just automate it. And if I open the strategy tester with Control R and close the terminal, you can see here I have this expert advisor which will just automate the exact strategy I just explained, and I can show it to you. If I use the visual mode and start this backtest, we can see simulated data in the backtester that will just simulate this strategy. So if I start, you can see whenever we reach 8 o'clock in the morning, we start building this range and we build it until 9:30, and afterwards we place this buy stop and sell stop order, and in this case the sell stop order was filled first, and now we have a sell trade. And I can speed up the process a little bit, and we see that the trade is running and it is making profit. Yeah, the price just moved back into the range, and at 18:30 we close this trade no matter where the current price is. And then we just finish trading for this day, but I can simulate another day, and the next day we get a buy signal, a buy stop order execution. Now we have a buy trade, and we can just watch this, look at this. Now we lose this buy trade, so we make a loss here, and we lose this range in points pretty much. And now we immediately sell at this position, at this point, and now we have a open sell trade. And if I speed it up again, we see that at time 18:30 we close this sell trade and make a profit that is even larger than the profit or the money we lost with the buy trade in the beginning. And yeah, you can see like this, you even have days where you lose both trades. And this strategy, of course, only makes profit over a long time. So you can't take like 1 week or 1 to 5 days to see if this strategy is a profitable or losing strategy. You really have to take some longer time periods to check if it's a winning or losing strategy. And over the time, it should generate profit. Yeah, look at this. Now we are making profits. And if you test not only some month, but 15 years, for example, which I did, you will see that this is a winning strategy, even though it has, of course, losing periods that can be longer. In the end, it will generate profit, or at least in the history, or the history shows that it made profit in the past. So this, of course, is no guarantee for a future development or for future performance or benefits or profits. So that's pretty much it. So in this video, I showed you a really simple day trading strategy which you can use. I used this strategy in the Euro US dollar and US dollar Japanese yen at the moment. Of course, I have different time periods for the US dollar Japanese yen, but it is a really simple strategy which you can use and trade manually with your hands, or which you can automate really easily in the MT4 to avoid any trading mistakes and give the control to your PC pretty much, which is able to perform these actions even better than we are able to do as human beings. So I hope you liked this video and the strategy. You can use it, of course, if you want to. You can automate it, of course, if you want to. And if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and give me your thoughts on this strategy in the comment section below. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye bye.